In a world that's wild and wacky, where the sun shines bright and happy, a tale awaits us, full of fun, with lessons for everyone. Once upon a time, in a corner of the earth, where laughter and joy had no dearth, lived a troop of animated friends. Their adventures knew no ends. There was a rabbit, quick and witty, and a turtle, slow but gritty. Our rabbit, oh, he loved to race. He'd run and jump, setting a pace. With his swift feet and twinkling eyes, he thought he'd bagged the winner's prize. But our turtle, slow and steady, he was always ever ready. He moved at his own gentle pace, with a calm and tranquil grace. One day they decided to compete, each believing they couldn't be beat. The rabbit darted fast and free, while the turtle moved like the calm sea. The rabbit, sure of his swift win, took a nap under a shady tree's grin. Our turtle, though, he didn't pause. He kept going for his cause. He plodded on step by step, while the rabbit in dreams was swept. And when the rabbit awoke with a start, he found the turtle near the chart. He raced and raced with all his might, but the turtle had crossed the finish line. Oh, what a sight! This tale of our friends, so small and bright, hides a lesson as clear as daylight. It's not always speed that takes the cake. Sometimes it's persistence that makes a break. So remember, when you're in a fray, don't just rush to save the day. Be like the turtle, slow and steady. Keep your pace, always be ready. Because in the end, it's not about the race, it's about moving forward at your own pace. And as the sun sets on our tail, let's imbibe this lesson without fail. In this world that's wild and wacky, where the sun shines bright and happy, remember the tale of our animated friends and their adventures that knew no ends. In the race of life, be brave, be bold, but remember, it's the steady and persistent who hold the gold. So until next time, under the sun or the moon's gleam, remember, life's not always what it seems. And that, dear listeners, is the end of our rhyme, until we meet again, in another time. So keep your hearts light and your spirits high, and remember, under the sky, we all fly.